Don't worry, I'm coming. No, don't worry, I'm coming to record.
Right here.
Nice and cozy, all tucked in. Nice.
Oh, so good. Oh my god, ow. I think I'm broken. Broken because I'm really cool and young.
So old, and with my bike nice and parked on the road.
Ta-da!
Let's see you get out of here though.
Barely an inconvenience.
Get some momentum between those trees.
My brother. Get some momentum between my balls.
You're not even making the squeezing sound.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Where did you go out?
Yeah, I like that. Also, you wrecked your light.
I know.
That wasn't the way I went, but... More into the challenging route, though.
This isn't how you did it, is it? Check out this reverse.
It's fucking hacking. Fucking somebody call 2600. She got a Gibson.
Other tree.
Beep, 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 beep. Yeah. I want full speed reverse. Fucking unlock.
Right?
There you go.
Right? Oh, come on, man.
Just get some momentum. Lean it more. Get going.
Back?
No, right where you are. Tip it over more and like get a little more momentum. Your front tire's stuck. Just do it. Just lean it more. And just go. Yeah, see, perfect. Oh boy, that's
not gonna
no,
happen.
it's definitely not.
I've made another grave mistake.
Wow, you're still really going for that same problem, huh?
I don't know where you went out. That's why I asked you.
Oh shit. No, you're allowed to actually look for like where you're gonna go.
Oh no, now I'm stuck.
Oh boy.
Ow.
This is why we only go fucking 4 kilometers an hour.